Hey, beautiful, for you. I don't want this. We can be friends if you bring. Oh, rocket science? I should go. Nasty rocket science. What if I say I can help you? Oh, please, please. Then let's go. Physics behind rocket science. What is a rocket? See, a rocket is a vehicle which contains basically four parts: payload, which carries the object to be launched, fuel, fins which provide stability and control, and finally an engine where the combustion happens. A rocket is a vehicle which provides acceleration to itself, increases its velocity by itself. See how it does the magic. It expels a mass of itself, which we call the expelling mass, downwards with a high velocity. And you know Newton's law of action and reaction. As a result, it gets the velocity upwards and it keeps on increasing due to conservation of momentum. If initially the rocket with the mass m plus delta m was moving with the velocity v, and at a later time with the increased velocity, since a mass of it is expelled at a high velocity downwards. Changing momentum with time is said to be force. If no external force is acting on the rocket, momentum isn't changing with time, it is constant. If initially the momentum was p1, mass times velocity, and at a later time p2, then we can equate it to the zero and integrate all those small changes in the velocity throughout the entire journey due to the expelling mass. And see what we get. This equation, delta v, change in velocity, is equal to velocity of the expelling mass ve into logarithm function of initial mass divided by final mass. What is the most important in this equation is the ratio of initial to the final masses. More is the value of ratio, more will be the change in velocity. And yes, that is how Mr. Rocket gets the velocity by itself. This equation was derived by Tsiolkovsky and hence the name. This is the person who firstly answered the question whether we could achieve speeds needed for space travel or not. This equation has played an important part in the flight of spacecrafts, rovers, voyagers, telescopes, humans, and satellites, and even plants and animals for the quest of understanding nature more clearly. Is this a nasty rocket science? No, this is exciting, isn't it?